Hello guys, review Realme C85 Pro. This version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Open box, look complementation. Device in the purple color. In complementation we have protected back cover. Key for SIM slot, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Good complementation, plastic body, power button and low buttons on this side, display 6.8 inch, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM cards. Turn on, we have AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate display. Open settings, about phone. We have Realme UI 6.0 and Android 15. Open benchmarks, Geekbench 6. GPU test results. Look, CPU test results. We have CPU Snapdragon 685 and GPU Adreno 610. Look onto the benchmark. Okay, and run PUBG Mobile, look how this game works on the device. Let's see gameplay. Так, upload and graphics medium, or we can turn on this level. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.